Oi! Oi! Can you come and help me, please? I need some help, buddy. The hook's in my finger. Fuck. And I forgot my fucking pliers. Right hand side of you. Thanks, bro. I've landed one Spanish. But while I was fucking unhooking it, I got the fucking treble in my finger. Fuck me. Sorry about this, bro. I fucking forgot my pliers and shit. I knew I should have not gone out. Yeah. Keep going. I'll keep going. Grab my paddle, please. Just grab my paddle.
Yep. Alright, thanks. Hold on to the boat.
Okay.
What do you want to do with the paddle?
I'll put my foot down, let go of the paddle.
Yep.
Thanks, bro.
How are you?
Alright. If you can just hold my fire close there.
Yeah.
So I don't drift away.
Got him? Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Thanks, bro. You're a lifesaver.
You're alright, bro.
Fuck, I knew I shouldn't have come out of the pliers.
Let's get a quick photo first.
Rather take a photo of my fish, mate.
No, we're on the fish. Let's go. Photo of us, ready?
Oh, yeah.
Fish. Oh, shit. Good, Mackie.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Good
it's like a
work,
130.
130?
Probably. Yeah.
Awesome,
Got some weight
bro.
behind it.
Yeah, how good. Worth the hook in the finger.
Thank you, man.
You're welcome,
Appreciate it.
man. No worries, brother. Yeah.
Thanks for the help, buddy.
No
I
worries,
appreciate
bro.
it. Thank
Take
you.
care, man. Enjoy. Alright,
Thank
go
you.
catch another one.
I think this one's enough for me.
Did you just get hooked just then?
Yeah, as I came out, I fucking went off. I had a bit of a line tangle, landed him. But what actually happened was, the hook fell out while he was next to me. So I fucking gaffed him at the last minute, got him in. But yeah, then as I was trying to fucking undo the lines and shit, the fucking hook got me.
What'd you get him on, a hard body?
No, the garfish, mate.
Oh, yeah.
Hey boys, just look at that slab. Wow. Probably a 120, I think. Let's see how we go.